How to add videos on Shopify without YouTube. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to add videos on Shopify without using YouTube links. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the Shopify page by clicking the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So here in Shopify, when you create or you have your own website, as you can see, this is my website and it's already published. You can actually put videos right here by going on the section of your website, and right there you can just edit the section description. And right there, when you edit your section description, there will be a camera or video button that you can click, and if you click that, there's a option that you can paste the YouTube URL link, and right there after you paste it and save the description, right there the video is added to your website. But the question is, how can you add your own videos or the videos from your computer and add it to your Shopify store or website? And this is how you're going to do it. So first, on your Shopify homepage, just go to the left and click contents right here below the customers and click files. And right here, we will see all of the files that you uploaded in the past or recently. So please take note that you cannot add videos on a trial account. You can only add pictures and other file types except for MP4, MP3, or even MOV or other type of video file format. So if you want to add videos or other file format, you will need to subscribe for a higher plan for your account, or just a premium account will do. And if you want to add videos, this is how we're going to do it. Just click upload files on the top right corner and just choose the file or the videos you want to add in your Shopify. And as you can see, it will now start uploading and it will take a little time. So before that, you just need to open first your editing tool or editing page. So in order to do that, just go to online store right here on the left side. As you can see, just click online store, then go to themes. Then after that, just customize first your theme. So open this link to the new tab, and after that, just open another new tabs, and you will learn later why we'll need to do this. So after that, just go back again to the contents and files. As you can see, my file is already uploaded, and what you're going to do now is to copy the video link of this file. So in order to do that, just click the link button on the right side. As you can see, there is a somehow link button or icon right here. Just click this one to copy the link, and after you copy this one, there will be a message on the bottom part says the link is copied. And what you're going to do is to go to the new tab that we just input and paste the video link right there. And after that, go back to the editor page, and right there on the left side, you can see that you can add sections. So if you are editing your website or store, I mean, there will be a adding section right there on the left. But so click this one, add section, and after that, just scroll down. And wait, this is wrong. Okay, I forgot something. So now let's close this editor page first. So we just need to leave this page first. So what we're going to do actually is to edit the theme code itself. So click this three dots corner and click edit codes, and you will be redirected to this editor page right here. So in this page, you will change the code itself rather than editing your website, the whole website on the editor page. So after you go here, just scroll down until you find section. So as you can see that I can add the new section. So after you click add the new section, just click liquid and just input a random file name for your section. So I'm just going to input my section name. So let's say my store video. Okay, just click save. Oh, it's we need to remove the space. So after that, it's okay. So after you save it, you will be represented to a default code as you can see right here. So you just need to delete this one because this is not the code that you will need to use to in order to input the video itself. So don't worry, you don't need to have a HTML coding knowledge. So you're just going to paste the required coding for this tutorial. You can just pause the video and copy the exact codes right here on the screen. So right here, as you can see, this in this section right here, this is where you will input the video link itself that we pasted on the new tab that we created earlier. So after that, just delete this link right here, go to the new tab, copy the video link, and go back to this editing page. And after that, just paste this link and change. Take note that you will need to change the file name format right here based on the file name format of your file type format of your video. So after that, you're done. Just save your coding, and after you save your code, just go back to the editing page. So go to online store and customize your website again. So as you can see that you can, if you add a section, there will be a homepage videos right there that you can click. So as you can see, oh, doesn't have a preview, so let's try to add it. So this is our video. Oh, we might have a little problem. Okay, so I think it's because of our file type. So I think the code itself is not available for other video file name format. For example, I'm using MOV video. So I think the coding itself cannot be applied on MOV, but only MP4. So for that, you just need to convert your file name format from MOV to MP4 and just upload the file again and copy the link and paste it right here. So as you can see, I'm going to change it back to MP4. And after that, just click save again. Oh, okay. Click save again. Go back to the editing page. Online store. Customize again. Let's try if it works now. So you can see, I'm going to add a section again. Right here on the template. Add section. Then add the homepage videos. So right here, as you can see, I already have a preview, so I think it will work. So as you can see right here, I already input my videos right here on my store. So I can just, drag it to change the position right here. As you can see, that's how you do it. And if you want to change as you can see, the format of your videos, if you want to increase its size or lower its size, just go back to the coding itself and just, change the size right here. As you can see, I can change the width and the height of the videos into, higher pixels or lower pixels. So I'm just going to add a or change this one to 150. Click save, and as you can see, if I go back to the website, it will reload and the video will disappear. So you can just add it again, add section, add the homepage video, and right here you will likely see an adjustment. So I don't see an adjustment on my video, so I just need to, adjust it more to in order to see some changes. And overall, that's it. That's how you add videos on Shopify without YouTube. And I hope you learned something from this tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.